The Sandcastle, Azul and Karaka. Written by Marie de Brito, drawn by Christine Multin, and translated from French to English by Noah Mouret. The calm is finally here. All the holidaymakers have gradually left the beach. The animals are slowly taking over the land. Seagulls are pecking crumbs left in the sand. And hermit crab was feeling too tight in his shell. He looked for a new one among some seashells brought ashore by the waves. He needed a new home. At the same time, two young crabs, Azul and Karaka, were leaving their hiding place in the hollow of the rocks and decided to venture onto the thin grains of the sand. They did not really like each other even though they had known each other forever. They suddenly found a huge and beautiful castle which looked as though it should be in a fairy tale. "Wow, that's so beautiful," said Karaka, the little orange crab. "Breathtaking," added Hazel, the little blue one. "Close down, I saw it first. It's mine," yelled Karaka. "Nonsense! This castle is mine. I saw it first," argued Hazel. Hazel immediately climbed the stairs and settled at the top of the ramparts. "It is not going to happen like that. Get out of my castle," shouted Karaka, furious. "No way! I'm here. I'm staying here. I'm waiting for my crab princess." "Go away. You would frighten her if she saw your rotten shrimp face," replied Hazel. "A crab princess? Are you losing your mind? No princess would want you, my dear." "Go away, or I will cut you into crumbs to feed the seagulls," shouted the orange crab, Karaka, vigorously clapping his claws. "I would really like to see that, and if you dare to approach me, I will break your shell," threatened Hazel.